This video is very important for the eBay sellers. I think so. The eBay sellers who pay attention towards these important steps while they are listing, then their listing will be reach out a maximum buyers. For example, the first one major thing that must be applied by the eBay seller when he is listing any product on eBay. First one is use maximum searched keywords. For example, he is going to sell any perfume. He must go towards the search bar of eBay and about and type the name of that perfume which is going to be sold on eBay. The maximum keywords, maximum searched keyword would be used. Second one is never use filler words like wow, great, amazing product. This sort of word would not get attention. Even this sort of word give an idea of scammer, right? The sellers who pays attention towards these two things, they must get maximum viewership and buyers on eBay. Thank you.